going? Today is all about the fluff, the floof, little floof and doofs. All so kawaii, the little cuddle buns. Another exciting video. Yes, that's right, another pair of rabbit ears. This video is not sponsored, by the way. Just thought I'd throw that out there. So this is gonna be number 3 of all the pairs of rabbit ears that I have. All the rabbit ears I have so far were ordered from the same place, which is Etsy.com. If you ever plan on ordering a pair of like any kind of animal ears from China, any place, like any area in China, just know that it's going to be at least 30 days to get to you, unless you pay for like expedited shipping, of course. But I ordered these on December 14th and I got them January 22nd. It took a while to get to me, but I mean, that's okay. I feel like it was worth the wait, so yeah. This is what the package looks like. I'm really worried about these ears though, because like the package came ripped and I can see that the box itself has been ripped through, so I'm really nervous about opening these. I hope they're in good condition. But this is what the ears look like. They have a really long name on the site. It's called Customized Rabbit Ears, 𝒓𝒽𝒾𝓈 Bunny Ears. It's a long name, but that's what they're called. It did ship free to me, so that was a plus. I know they have a limited stock right now of these specific rabbit ears, so if you want a pair, get it soon. And some really important things that I'd like to mention that they specifically have in their description are things like how the ears are handmade. By all means, do not wash your ears. Each pair of ears made by hand. All parts of ears are bendable. The headbands are adjustable, which are very durable and strong. And they do accept customized orders, which is awesome. The rabbit ears that I got were originally $95, but I got a 20% off discount, which is really cool. It was just a coupon basically applied to the regular price on its own. They were just having discounts. These ears are from the shop known as ColorfulEars, and they have so many different kinds of ears, not just bunny ears, rabbit ears, but they have ears like wolf, fox, kitten, bunny, deer, bear, tiger. Like they have it all. It's pretty cool. All right, enough chitter chatter. Let's get into it. Ooh! I did wait quite a while to make this video, but you know, life just happens, okay? And I'm not gonna lie, I'm not gonna hide it. I'm not ashamed. I've been playing a frick ton of Minecraft, so that's basically been my life anyway. Just a lot of Minecraft. Oh, and Sea of Thieves. Can't forget that one. The moment of truth. Whoa! Okay, things are... What the heck is that? Uh-oh, is this to my headband? Oh, things are falling out, guys. Things are just, like, falling out. I'm surprised they didn't have this in bubble wrap. I don't know what this is, but I'm thinking it's to the headband. I don't know. Wow, this box is totally damaged. I don't know what happened. Then again, you have to think, it's from China, so it came all the way over here. You don't know who's been banging it around all over their shipment trains, whatever, airplanes, I don't know. This is what the box looks like. It's just ignore the damage. I don't know. I just, as long as the ears are safe and they look great and they're not broken, that's really all I care about. I don't really care so much about the box. It says tastes, scenery along the way. And there's a little unicorn on the box. That's pretty cute. Oh my god. Wow. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. First thoughts. I was not expecting them to look like this. They look, the pink looks more vibrant in person. These are airbrushed. Okay, so these definitely are airbrushed. I don't mind it as long as it doesn't look like too harsh of airbrushing, you know? Oof, there's a little fluff. Oh my god, these are so nice. So this is what I just unboxed. This is what it looks like. Yep, I knew it. I knew it. That little black piece that I found, that was to the headband. This you can easily slide right on. I guess it just came off. I don't know, but it just slips right on. So I'm gonna put that back where it belongs. They're like little rubber grips so that it really clings on to your head. So this is what they look like. Wow. Is there anything else in this box? Nothing but a pink mess. A Barbie girl's dream. The hair is very, very lightly shedding, but there's barely like any coming off. Usually with a pair of any kind of ears, you can at least expect a little bit of hair to fall off, but that's normal. That's totally normal. As long as like it's not, there's like not chunks falling out, then you got a pretty good set of ears. I love how they did the hair though. Do we love? Are we living for it? Just what I wanted. I'm just giving them a little bit of a bend just to make them look more realistic. I love these so much. Let's see how they look when they're put on. So what I am doing now is I am pushing out the little fluffs on the bottom so that it looks more like natural, like if it's a part of me, you know what I mean? I'm trying to get the hair to blend naturally. These are cute! I like them! One thing I am noticing about these is that these feel much more heavier than the other pairs that I own. So I have to be careful when going like this. See, if I nod up and down like, yes, queen! They're moving forward. It's official. I am absolutely obsessed with these. Rating these, I would definitely give it a 5-star. I mean, look at the pink. It freaking matches my outfit. Like, it really does match my outfit. It's so vibrant. It's like the perfect shade of pink. I love it. These ears are so cute. I am tempted to make a customized order. No joke. You can call me McFluffy Buns. Happy Easter, bitches. Okay guys, that's all for today's video. See, now I'm just making a mess. That's, you know what? I gotta cut this video like now. I'm sorry, I'm getting out of hand. Okay, bye.